Hey friends, Doppler Dave here with you. We have a cluster of very strong severe thunderstorms in the northeast part of the area, and we have another tornado warning, kind of like the one we had earlier, for a radar indicated rotation within the storm. And that's going to be between Canadian and Lake Marvin, right about in here. Again, this is radar indicated. Have had a phone call about a possible funnel around Canadian. I'll just tell you that we haven't had a confirmed touchdown that we know of at this point, but we are watching the storm there just off to the east of Canadian or southwest of Lake Marvin. Still have heavy storms near Miami and then up to the north around Glacier. These are not moving very rapidly. You can watch this storm that's prompted the tornado warnings actually kind of pushing down to the south. So that's moving away from Canadian, away from Lake Marvin. Really going to move down close to Highway 60 there, or make that off to the Highway 33 area east and out towards Jim. There are indications of maybe some tennis ball to baseball size hail from time to time in these hail cores. So discourage travel right now from Miami to Canadian or out to the east because of the likelihood of very large hail. Not only that, if you've been following, it's been raining up there for a long time and raining heavily. So we're also kind of looking at a flooding risk out there in the eastern part of the area. Once again, we do have a tornado warning. What you got there, Kevin?
There's a new couplet just northeast of Miami.
Okay.
It's looking pretty good. They'll have to watch that one as well.
Okay,
Right on the highway.
sure. You kind of see that little swirl right there, right on Highway 60. Some rotation there. So what we've seen so far are brief rotations that have not put down actual tornadoes, but it's a day that's pretty likely that we can see a land spout here and there and a lot of hail. So we're going to track that. We'll zoom back out just a little bit. A couple of boundaries, a little frontal boundary. That's why temperatures have dropped off a little bit for Amarillo. We're going to watch the whole northern half of the area for the possibility of a strong or severe thunderstorm here and there getting into the evening. You notice how it's in the 70s and 80s north, 90s down to the south, and the wind is shifting from the north behind that boundary. So once again, heavy storms likely. We'll be back with updates periodically on News Channel 10. We'll keep you advised.